Welcome everyone. So today is the auspicious Akshaya Tritiya and it is the best day to give charity. So the best charity which I can give is to share spiritual knowledge. So as we were discussing yesterday that we will discuss about the features of Saranagati today. So let's see what the Shastra is saying in Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 22nd chapter, text number 100. It says that अनुकूल्यस्य संकल्प प्रतिकूल्यस्य वर्जनम रक्षस्य अति विश्वासो गोप्तृत्वे वरणं तथा आत्मनिक्षेप कार्पण्ये शरभि शरणागति ही. So among these 6 features of Saranagati, today we will discuss 2 features, Anukulyasya Sankalpa and Pratikulyasya Varjanam. So among these 2 features, first we will discuss Anukulyasya Sankalpa, means the things which are favorable for devotional service. It is described by Srila Rupa Goswami in Nectar of 3 and slok number 2 about these 2 things. So if we go to slok number 3, text 3 of Nectar of Instruction, we will see उत्साहात निश्चयात धैर्यात तत्तत् कर्म प्रवर्तनात संग त्यागात सतो वृत्ते सर्वी भक्ति प्रसिद्धति. Means the 6 favorable things which will increase our devotion to the lotus feet of the Lord are described as follows. Utsahas means to have the enthusiasm to wake up early in the morning and take bath and get ready for our sadhana. Nishchayat means to have the confidence that with this knowledge, the knowledge which we are receiving from our previous acharya will definitely take us back home, back to Godhead. The third is dhairya, to have the patience that definitely if we practice this sadhana bhakti for a long time, we will be able to attain bhava bhakti, and finally we will get Krishna prem. We have to have the confidence. Utsahat, nishchayat, dhairyat, tat karma pravartana means to act in favor of devotional service, means the activities which is very much favorable to devotional service. The main 2 activities are very favorable, that is chanting and hearing. So whatever activities are favorable, we have to accept. Tat karma pravartanat. Sangha tyagat means we have to give up the association of materialistic person. There are 2 types of materialistic person. One is those who are very much attached to wealth, and second is those who are very much attached to women. So we have to give up the association of these 2 materialistic person. So उत्साहात निश्चयात धैर्यात तत्तत् karma pravartanat sangha tyagat sato vritte. Sato vritte means to associate with pure devotees who have attained the perfection. We have to associate with those devotees who are elevated. If we associate with them, obviously we will be able to increase our devotional life. So this is Anukulyasya Sankalpa, and then the second feature of Saranagati is Pratikulyasya Varjanam, means the thing which is unfavorable, we have to give it up. Pratikulyasya Varjanam, Varjanam means to give up. So the Pratikulyasya Varjanam is Atyahar Prayasascha Prajalpa Niyamagraha Janasangascha Laulamcha Saravi Bhakti Vinasati. Means if we follow these 6 things, our bhakti will not develop. That is atyahar, means eating too much. Atyahar prayasascha, means to endeavor for things which is materialistic and is not we cannot achieve it very easily. We should not endeavor for these things. Atyahar prayasascha prajalpa means to chat material things like reading newspaper, and we can read newspaper but we have to reduce the time. The whole day we cannot read about mundane matters. Atyahar prayasascha prajalpa niyamagraha means to follow the rules and regulation without keeping in mind that these rules and regulations are meant for developing our Krishna bhakti. Atyahar prayasascha prajalpa niyamagraha janasangascha laulamcha. Janasangascha means association. We have to associate with devotees and we have to give up the association of materialistic person. Again in this sloka is Rupa Goswami is mentioning janasangascha laulamcha means laulamcha means love, desire. Is said that greedy. So this greediness is very much obstacle in pure devotional service. So these are the six things that we have to give up. Atyahar, prajalpa, prayasascha, niyamagraha, janasangascha, laulamcha, sarabhi bhakti vinashyati. These 6 things will destroy our devotional service. So today we have discussed anukulyasya sankalpa and pratikulyasya varjanam, and the other 4 features we will discuss in our next video. Hare Krishna.